Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word acetonemia. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The veterinarian diagnosed the cow with acetonemia after detecting high levels of ketones in her blood. Acetonemia is a condition in which high levels of ketones accumulate in the blood, often seen in cows suffering from ketosis due to excessive fat mobilization. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.